if I told you that Wall Street has created a massive pipe that's going to use to throw in money into an altcoin that I know you would have not have heard of? Grayscale has just launched the Sui ETF, and that will make a lot of liquidity to flow into the Sui ecosystem. And if you don't know what is Sui, you don't know what is ETF, you don't know who is Grayscale or the organization, by the end of this video, if you sit tight, you are going to know each of all these details and how this is a bullish news to the Sui ecosystem. So, what is an ETF? An ETF is a short name for exchange traded fund. Just see it like a gift basket, where instead of going around the dictionary and picking the best wine, the best ice cream and other things, they combine all these things and keep it in a gift basket, and you just buy it. That is what ETF do to tokens, because buying tokens in the crypto world is very scary. You have to go to get the wallet, worry about it freeze, get scared of being hacked. But ETFs make this very simple, such a way that you can buy a particular token by just using, it can be your banking app or just normal app used for buying stocks. Do you know the implication of that? That means millions of people can, at their convenience, sell that token. So this Grayscale, who are they really? They are an organization that was founded in 2013. They help make projects accessible. They started with Bitcoin, and they have helped many other projects to become accessible and to ensure that institutions and banks, pension funds and others have access to tokens that they have seen that have potential and are going to do well or are doing well. Then what is Sui? Sui is a layer 1. Just like the way we call Bitcoin the digital gold, we call Ethereum the programmable computer. Sui is the next hypercomputer of the future. It's built for speed. It's using the Mu programming language. It's very fast, and it is built to handle multiple transactions within seconds. It leverage on the weakness of other layer 1 to come in. It was built by some tech gurus that were once working with Meta, that is Facebook. So the chain has been doing well. It has been here for a while, for a really long time, and it has been doing well. And with this announcement, it's gonna flow in money. So what will the ETF announcement or this partner or this new development do to the Sui ecosystem? Number one, it will bring exposure to the ecosystem. It will make it easy for institutions, venture capitalists, big banks to bring in their money. And you know that those guys, when they're investing, they don't invest for a short time. They invest for a long time. They don't invest like retailers, and they don't come in with small points. And that shows, if not for anything, we should have the highest fight and we should see the way up on Sui. And number two is they are focusing on ETF staking, and that already means that they are not just buying these tokens to start selling them. They will buy them and stake them and be making to secure the portfolio, that is, help them secure the portfolio, and from the fees they are getting, they will get paid. So these tokens will be locked, and once you know circulation is cut and there is high demand, it will make the price to go up. And number three is that this announcement will really bring media attention, cause massive marketing, because people will begin to analyze these tokens, because the integrity of Grayscale will definitely rub on this project. And you know, Grayscale has been in existence for a while, and they have gotten trust of venture capitalists and many other institutions. So when, because of this action that they are taking, will already make other people to believe in the chain. And in conclusion, more money, and with more money coming, there will be increase in total value locked. And when there's increase in total value locked, more people will tend to believe more, and to bring more developers, the chain will become so busy. And once it becomes so busy, price will definitely spark up. But the downside is that there can be a problem. ETF is not an assurance of growth, because it may not happen. Number two is that they buy in large quantity, the price will definitely go up. But the problem is that when they begin to sell, it can crash the price. So there are good side and downside. But it's left for you to make your decision. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Catch you in my next video. Stay close to Crypto-Fotismós, where we break down crypto to the smallest molecule. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section, or you want me to analyze or talk about any project or any development, drop it in the comment section. Thank you.